Presenting the GMC 2021 2500HD AT4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 4SP, 3.73 rear axle ratio, 3.42 axle ratio, 20 machined aluminum wheels, front bucket seats, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, AT4 preferred package and AT4 premium plus package. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.